Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to change profile picture in 1010 app. Now guys, the first thing that you need to do is go and download the 1010 app on the App Store. If you don't have one, of course. If you have one, of course, you don't have to do that. And guys, if you do not know how to do that, you can always go to our YouTube channel where we have a video where you can see how you can download the 1010 app. Then you just guys need to go and log into your profile. But guys, again, if you do not have one, you can always go and register. But if you do not know how to do this, you can always go to our YouTube channel where we have plenty of how to 1010 app videos, where you can also see how you can do this. Now guys, that we got those things out of the way, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see here, we have the 1010 application where you can add more friends, and basically you can add how much friends you want here. Also, we have your pin, which is my pin is SI80 6KP. So that's my IP pin, which you have to send to your friends so they can add you. Also in the top left corner, as you can see, we have my name. We have, as you can just so know, all of the names and things that we put in here are fake for this video. So this is not my real name. You can edit your profile, see power moves, see legal stuff, send feedback, and see the danger zone and all of those things. And you can learn more moves by going to 1010 TikTok, as you can see here. Now guys, let's see how you can actually go and change the profile picture in 1010 app. Well, you need to go to the top left corner, click on here, then click on edit profile, click on the three dots, and click on change image, which is beneath the edit name. Now guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, put the notifications on, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.